Hello, my Virgos. We're going to do your general love reading for the month of December. I'm going to do my very best to get the rest of the signs done tonight. Spirit. Here we go. Spirit, universe, angels. 2 cards. Okay. The Star card. Are we happy? Are we finally seeing all of our hard work come to fruition? Queen of Pentacles. What? There you are. You got your balance back, Virgo. You are like on your game. It's like it's like I'm ready. Balance is back. I am good to go. I am happy. I got my pentacles. I got my house. I got my job. And I am super fine. You guys are ready for love. You are ready for new love. Who is the person they're dealing with? Or that is possibly coming in? 2 cards. It's the Strength card. Let me find out if Virgo wants a Leo. Six of Pentacles. That's right. So you guys could be dealing with a Leo. Or you have a Leo coming in who is just gorgeous. They themselves too are building themselves back up and getting their balance back. They have their balance back. They're looking out for new love. Or they're looking at you like you are their new, this is going to go somewhere. But the 6 of Pentacles for me in this deck, this is a single person. So know that for a fact. There ain't no third-party situation going on here. This person is very loving. This is that person, I don't need you, I want you. I have everything on my own. I don't need what you quote-unquote bring to the table. What I want you to bring to the table is you. Period. What happened in the past? 3 cards, Spirit, with the Virgo. The Empress. You got your you got the passion back for you. 3 of Pentacles. You started working on you. I love it. The Hierophant. Yes, you did. So in the recent past, you got the passion back for your life. You wanted your life to finally move forward to where you wanted it to be. Your structure with you, your finances, just who you are as a person. As I've said before, like Stella got her groove back. 3 of Pentacles, You started working on you. You turned, you turned your back on love. And you started working on you. I can do this all by my damn self. And with the Hierophant, you even started seeking into your spirituality. You got your balance back. Like I said, you didn't need somebody else. We do not need somebody else to balance us out. You did. You closed yourself off to love because you wanted to get your passion back for you and your life. Some of you started attending church more. Some of you started taking classes in regards to spirituality. It's like you wanted to find religion. Find religion, find spirituality. My Virgos are rising on up. Did you hear that? It was a car honk. Car honk. Car honk. Virgos are rising on up. Honk. 3 cards, Spirit. 3 cards for the action you want them to take. 4 of Pentacles. Knight of Swords. 5 of Wands. You guys... Okay. In your past, you could have been dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, who you constantly argued with. Oh. Not for all of you. For some of you. This Gemini, Libra, Aquarius put you into a third-party situation, but you accepted. For some of you, you accepted it, and you were fighting for their love. However, they came back into you because of the finances, because you could hold them up. For some of you, this person did not work at all, and that's when they look at you, they see dollar signs. Dollar signs that helps them move along. Others, yeah, they had a job, but nothing that could actually sustain them as far as living like on their own and being able to do for themselves. So again, looking at you as the bank, as the ATM. However, you did accept you knew about the third party situation. You knew that they had somebody else. And it was a constant argument because you wanted them for yourself. And the suggested action here is that this, oh, Jesus. You need to hold on to your finances this time. Because this person is coming back in. They're trying to smooth talk you. Hold on to your money. Hold on to your finances. Because that's your money. You work hard for that every day. And know that this person sees you as a fucking ATM. It's like they know the there you go. They know the buttons to push to get you to let them back in. But your suggested action is to hold on to your money. Do not give them a dime. Because remember, they put you into this third party situation. You knew about it. but you were fighting with them all the time because you wanted them for yourself. Spirit, who was this third party situation with? Nine of Cups and the Magician. Okay. You wound up being single because you were done fighting. You have everything you want and need besides that one cup of love. But you got a sexy ass fine Leo coming in. Just reminding you. With this person, this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you became single. You stopped the fighting and you let them go towards a Virgo or a Taurus. Yeah. A Virgo or a Taurus who, they kind of mirrored you. They had their own everything too. Home, apartment, finances, car, whatever. Yep. This person was just going back and forth between the two of you. And you finally said, no, I'm done. Because you got your balance back. And the suggested action is to continue your balance, including your bank account balance, and not dish out that money to them because they know which buttons to push. They know the PIN code. No. What is the possible blockage? 3 cards. Page of Wands. I fucking knew it. Yeah, this... Page of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. This person, this other person, don't negate the fact that they're gonna try to come back in to push those buttons, and they're gonna push those buttons by offering you sex. For some of you, you are like, I don't know if I can stop myself from having sex with them because it's good, Lisa. Like, you don't understand, it's good. Like, I've never had sex like this before. Shit. Go find a fire sign. Page of Pentacles. They're even going to tell you, oh, I got a new job. Like, I'm going to have some money coming in. Blah, 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 blah. It's good money. You know, I'm not here for your money. It's a fucking lie. Some of you may even have children with this person, or there's children involved in some way, that they're going to come to you like, oh, you know, I need to get diapers, or, you know, I need to pay for the dentist bill this month, or I got to go pay the copay for their shots, blah, 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 blah. They, remember, they don't need your money because they have that other possible Virgo or Taurus that they go back and forth with you two. So your blockage is actually blocking out the sex with them. It's like an obsession you have. Listen, I'm all for some good sex. Don't get me wrong. But some of you are going to believe them. That they got this new job, and right now, can you just loan me 50, this, that, and the third, blah, blah, blah. And you're going to do it. And then it's going to be another 50, and then it's going to be another 50, and then it's going to be another 100. And you're going to keep doing it. And Spirit is saying, open your eyes. Remember what happened last time? How much money did you lose last time with dealing with this person? I feel like some of you completely broke the bank because of this person. Just giving, 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 like it's a strip club. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Just because the sex was good? Really? No, Virgo. Spirit, if they block this person out, this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, what is the possible outcome? The Lovers. True, committed, balanced love. Judgment. Because you woke up. The horn sounded. Please enter your PIN code. And you said, what? Now I remember what Lisa said. Page of Cups. New love. New love with a possible Leo. Or it could be another fire sign. A fire sign or somebody that has Earth in their moon or rising. New, committed, equal give and take love. That's waking you up. It's waking you up. It's bringing the sunshine back to your life. It's making you feel young again. That's what you have coming into you. So long as you unplug the ATM. Unplug the ATM, Virgo. Out of service. No money available. Because you have somebody coming in that is your equal. All right, Virgo. I hope you enjoy your December and forget about this person's sex. I'm just letting you know, fire signs, they know what to do. All right. Have a good December.